Congresswoman Mikie Sherrill, we've had a momentous couple of weeks here on this 4th of July. How are you feeling about our democracy?
You know, I think that the words of the Declaration really spoke to me today, as they always do, but today in particular, about what it takes to fight for our country and our form of government. And it was really meaningful.
Got to ask you, should the president stay in the race?
Right now we're having some tough conversations about what that will be. And quite frankly, like I think all of my colleagues, my desire is to make sure that we defeat Trump in the next presidential election. I think it's incredibly important, and that's my focus, and I think the focus of the party.
You're a lawyer, of course, so how do you feel
Down
about
with the king.
about the Supreme Court's ruling regarding immunity of the president?
I thought it was a horrible ruling. I think it is just another step in tearing down the institutions of our democracy. We have never given that kind of power to a president of the United States. That is actually contrary to the notions of this country and what we were founded on, and certainly what we heard here today in our Declaration of Independence, I think, was a horrible ruling.
So as a former prosecutor yourself, what options remain to prosecutors now?
Well, certainly, if a president is acting outside of his or her duties, that would be a very high bar, and especially when you have a president in office. We'll continue to find those paths forward, and I'll continue to work in Congress to make those areas clear. But this Supreme Court decision, I think, was a strike against democracy. I think it's wrong-headed, and I think Sotomayor had the right of it.